In the previous lessons, every time we updated the code of the application, we had to manually kill and restart the server in order for these changes to be applied. As this task can easily be automated, we're now going to install and configure a package called notdaemon that will watch the files within the directories of our application and automatically restart the server whenever a change is detected so that we can focus on the most important thing, writing code. So let's install the notdaemon package using the savedev flag of the npm command, which will add this package as a development dependency. And let's open the package.json file and add the following dev script to it that will help us easily launch and monitor the application when in development mode. We can now launch our application using the following npm run command that will execute the dev script we just added to the package.json file, which should generate the following log indicating that notdaemon is now watching our files for changes.